Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time watching, hey everybody, my name is Melissa, aka Naturealizta.beauty, like you see below. And if you are a returning viewer and subscriber, how you doing? What's up? How the kids? They okay? They good? Okay. Anyway, today what I will be doing is a product review. And today I will be reviewing the product from my fave. Melanin hair care. I will be doing a product review and a demo using my Melanin hair care styling cream. It is the Twist Elongating Style Cream, and it has shea butters and it's made with natural oils. What I will be doing is telling you my thoughts about the product, a few things that describe the product, and a takedown and a final review after the takedown.
Get it to the money. Everybody man.
When I first bought this, I really was, I was a little like hyped because it's Whitney. We've been waiting for years for Whitney to come out with a product. We love you, Whitney. We love you. And she gave us this baby. This baby was a little on the pricier side. It was about $16.99 if I'm not mistaken, and the shipping was almost $10.
Bitch, what?
I know, almost $10, but it came to my house in less than 24 hours after my purchase, so I was highly satisfied with the customer service, and also the packaging was great. The size that it comes in is 16 ounces. Like, you usually pay that price for like an 8 ounce or less. So I highly appreciate that. And let me just show you how it looks. It is, ooh, very thick. Look at that. Look. Very thick. Ooh. It smells like cocoa butter. But it's not really a very strong smell. It is very faint, but you can smell cocoa butter, which lets you know that it is all natural. Shouldn't add perfumes or anything to it. And all the ingredients are on the back. And it says that you can use with any leave-in conditioner of your choice. So you just use your leave-in conditioner and follow up with this product after it to style your hair. Whitney, say what's up to the people. So I'm starting off with my spray bottle, my leave-in conditioner, my herbal oil to seal in moisture before following up with my Melanin hair care. Look at this thickness. It won't even come out the, oh my goodness, yes. I'm so excited to begin. So let me start off with like finger detangling, whatever this was on my head. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I sectioned it off so I can work from the back up. And I'm just gonna start by applying water, working the water through my hair, and applying this leave-in conditioner to my hair. I'm sealing in this leave-in conditioner with my herbal oil, and I am gonna then detangle my hair now that it's been saturated with product prior to applying my cream. I'm just gonna start off with a little bit and rub it in my hands, and then if I need more, I'm gonna add more as needed. But I'm applying it using the praying hands motion, and my hair's responding pretty well to it. So I'm just gonna start off by twisting my hair from the root all the way down to the bottom, and then continuing the whole process all around my head. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I am a type 4 natural haired girl. My hair is very fine, but it is very thick, and it is also coily. I'm not gonna really make this video a tutorial, more so a demo. And if you would like to know little tips just on how to twist your hair, you can feel free to look through my other videos. I do have a few detailed videos showing what to do and why I do it. But I am gonna note that I detangle on each twist before applying Melanin hair care so that I can fully get the experience from this product. Just an observation I have as I'm working this product through my hair, I see that not only is my hair responding well, it feels soft and the slip feels amazing. So here I am adding more product, and I just love this product so far. Did a combination of 3-strand twist and 2-strand twist. I don't know why I decided to do that, but bear with me. This looks pretty good if I do say so myself. As a type 4 natural, I also have a ton of shrinkage, and I'm hoping that this product will also elongate my twist out because I would love to see some length, even though I am looking forward to more definition and volume. Curl definition too? Yes. So if you have social media, don't forget to add me on Instagram or Facebook at Naturealizta.beauty, and I will also be opening a blog come April, so I'm looking forward to that. These twists are looking juicy, honey. Yes. So here I'm starting to take down, and I'm not so sure what to expect, but I'm hoping that, okay, there's my answer. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this. And what I'm gonna do is just separate where my hair naturally parts itself and twirl the curls around my finger just to keep the frizz down. As I'm taking my hair down, I feel that all the moisture that I locked in is still in my twist. And as I'm taking it down, my hair feels nice and soft. I'm loving this. The definition is here. It is here, honey. So I fast forwarded around my head, and now I'm at the front. I just want you guys to see the takedown and the definition that I'm oh so loving right now. Y'all, look at my hair. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this definition? Wow. 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 So I think y'all might know how I feel about this already. I mean, look at me, like, just look at me. My hair is nice and full. I am in love with this hair product. Oh my goodness. So let's get down to business. As I was taking my twists out, I did leave them in for a few days, as I mentioned before, because I was a little sick. But when I take them out, as I was taking them down, I noticed that they remained fully moisturized, like I had just twisted it the night before. but it's not greasy or anything like that. The hold is amazing, like amazing. My hair is like amazingly defined. My hair is soft, it's not dry. I'm just so happy. So how you did this, like it's gonna last me forever, okay? I'm so happy. This is ridiculous. Like, this is ridiculous. This goes with any leave-in conditioner. I used one of my choice. I sprayed my hair with water and then I began twisting. The slip was amazing. My definition is amazing. My hair is soft. I'm just fully satisfied and I give this line, bam, bam, 2 thumbs up. I would highly recommend it to anybody, especially if you have type 4 hair. It seems to work for all of us. This will be added to my staple line. So if you haven't gotten your hands on this yet, I do highly suggest, as somebody who has used this. And if there are any other products that you would like for me to review and try out and just see how it comes out on my hair, as you can see, this worked really well. Hold on, I'm just so in love, like. Whitney, like, I love you. I knew you were special. I knew you were special. If you appreciated this video, if you liked this video, please leave me a like down below. If you want to tell your thoughts on my video, how my hair came out, your experiences with this product, leave your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and click post notifications with the bell down below so that you can stay notified whenever I upload. I will be doing more product reviews and product demos. So if you have anything that you would like to request, leave it down below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, stay blessed, and love you guys. Put your hands on Melanin hair care. Oh God.